Our journey through Halifax begins. Our journey through Halifax starts in its bustling downtown, the heart of the city, where historic brick buildings stand alongside modern glass skyscrapers and narrow streets lead to cozy cafes and trendy boutiques. The atmosphere here is special, relaxed yet full of life. Right now it's spring in Halifax. The city is awakening after a long winter. Warm, sunny days bring people out onto the streets. Some take leisurely strolls, enjoying the fresh air, while others hop on bicycles gliding along the waterfront and through the parks. Spring is the perfect time to feel the city come to life as nature gradually takes over. Trees sprout their first green leaves and flowers begin to bloom in the parks. Halifax is not just the capital of Nova Scotia, it is also the largest city in all of Atlantic Canada. Its architecture reflects its British heritage. Historic red brick buildings, narrow streets, and old Victorian mansions give downtown a unique charm. At the same time, modern skyscrapers showcase the city's dynamic growth. Halifax is home to over 430,000 people, when including the entire Greater Halifax area. The city is known for its friendly and welcoming community. Here, longtime Nova Scotians live alongside newcomers, whose diverse cultures enrich the city. The locals are known for their openness and hospitality. It's no wonder this region is considered one of the friendliest in Canada. Rogers Square, the modern heart of Halifax. Right in the heart of downtown Halifax, Rogers Square is one of the city's most vibrant and modern gathering places. Located in the Queen's Mark district, this square is where history meets contemporary city life. Here you'll find stylish cafes, cozy restaurants, and lively bars with outdoor patios, perfect for unwinding after a walk through the city. In the summer, Rogers Square comes to life with concerts, festivals, and live sports screenings on a giant outdoor screen. It's the perfect place to meet up with friends, grab a drink, and soak in the energy of the city. Surrounded by sleek, modern buildings, the square still blends beautifully with Halifax's historic charm. And in the evening, that's when it truly shines. Storefront lights reflect off the glass facades, creating a warm, almost European-style atmosphere. If you want to feel the modern pulse of Halifax and experience the city's urban vibe, Rogers Square is the place to be. During summer, Halifax truly comes alive. The fresh ocean breeze, the vibrant waterfront, and the city's rich history attract thousands of visitors each year. One of the biggest highlights of Halifax's tourism scene is the arrival of majestic cruise ships, bringing travelers from around the world to explore this incredible city. a city by the sea. One of the most picturesque spots in Halifax is its waterfront. The city has always been closely tied to the ocean, and you can feel it in every detail. The Port of Halifax is one of the busiest in Canada, welcoming dozens of cruise ships throughout the summer. As passengers step ashore, they find themselves in the very heart of the city, where history blends seamlessly with modern charm. Many head straight to the iconic Halifax Citadel, a historic fortress offering breathtaking views of the harbor. Others enjoy a relaxing stroll along the Halifax waterfront, where cozy cafés, restaurants, and street performers create a warm and inviting atmosphere. A city connected by land and sea. Another key part of Halifax's daily life is the ferry crossing to Dartmouth. More than just a convenient way to reach the neighboring city, it offers passengers breathtaking views of Halifax from the water. As the ferry glides across the harbor, passengers are treated to stunning views of the skyline, historic buildings, and the lively waterfront. For locals, this is an everyday routine. Some are commuting to work, others heading home, while some simply enjoy the short but scenic ride across the water. For those eager to explore the city's history, a visit to the Maritime Museum of the Atlantic is a must. It houses artifacts from the Titanic disaster, as well as exhibits on Halifax's rich maritime heritage. The cruise industry plays a vital role in Halifax's economy, supporting local businesses and giving visitors a taste of Atlantic Canada's renowned hospitality. Whether it's indulging in fresh seafood, exploring historic landmarks, or simply soaking in the stunning ocean views, Halifax offers an unforgettable summer experience for every traveler. The historic heart of Halifax, perched atop a hill overlooking downtown, the Halifax Citadel has stood guard over the city for more than 2 centuries. Built in 1856, it was the fourth fortress constructed on this site. Halifax was once a crucial British military base, protecting the Atlantic coastline from potential threats. Today, the Citadel is not just a historic monument, but a true time capsule. Visitors can see how soldiers lived, hear the thunder of cannons, and even meet reenactors dressed in 19th century uniforms. From its historic streets to its modern skyline, from the lively waterfront to the rolling Atlantic waves, Halifax is a city that seamlessly blends the past with the present. Whether you're a visitor stepping off a cruise ship or a local enjoying a bike ride along the harbor, there's always something to discover in this beautiful Atlantic city. Beyond the ferry, Halifax and Dartmouth are also connected by two massive bridges stretching across the harbor. These bridges serve as major transportation arteries, carrying thousands of vehicles every day. Halifax is more than just a city. It's a place where history, nature, and modern life come together in perfect harmony. From the charming streets of downtown to the scenic waterfront and inviting cafés, there's something here for everyone. And while spring brings a fresh energy to the city, summer is truly the best time to visit. With beautiful beaches, warm weather, and endless outdoor adventures, Halifax becomes a coastal paradise waiting to be explored. So whether you're seeking culture, relaxation, or breathtaking views, Halifax is ready to welcome you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more stunning journeys from around the world. Thanks for watching.